Once again, I'm more than delighted to be able to be in a position to video our latest edition BMW, this rare 3 Series GT 318 diesel. It's a 2-litre engine, just under 150 brake horsepower, and it's the all-important 8-speed automatic gearbox, which is absolutely phenomenal. It has a full BMW service history, and it has matching Pirelli tyres on all 4 corners, 2 keys and a book pack. It was purchased as a used vehicle when it was not very old by its last owner, private owner, and she's been lovingly cared for since that date. It benefits from the rear privacy glass, the automatic gearbox and the heated front seats, and very, very nice alloy wheels. We've upgraded the wheels, we've had them sandblasted and powder coated, and they look absolutely stunning. Beautiful, beautiful car. It will be safety checked and offered with our 3 months anywhere UK wide warranty. We're not expected to have to use that warranty. It's just over 40,000 miles, and she has been serviced this year with BMW a few months ago, so it's bang up to date. There is the view that the driver of the car in front will see with his gorgeous high gloss black grills. SL64XCN. All the tyres are like new, all matching Pirelli tyres, so P7s, 18-inch, very nice car. Indicators in the mirrors, rear sun protection glass. It's electronic tailgate as well, which is a good feature if you've got carrying bags of shopping, or you're trying to sort of take control of the children and at the same time get them in, get them out, etc. Very nice detailing of red, and like a metallic mica red actually, and then you've got the red stitching in the fabric on the doors and in the seats. It does have carpets, no smells inside the vehicle. A very nice car, GT Gran Turismo 318D. It's not at all underpowered, it's a 2-litre engine, rear parking sensors, nice high gloss trim in the bumper. We have over 200 5-star reviews on Auto Trader, Facebook and Google. Please do take a few moments to read through some of our customer reviews. We've been in business almost 30 years, and we're easy to find in Mere Brow near to Preston. We do offer the car with a free UK-wide delivery service, which means that you pay a small deposit of £250, and then you only pay for the balance once we've delivered it to you. We offer free delivery anywhere in the UK. This is your electronic tailgate, just press that there. You can stop it at any point, but that is basically down in one shot, so to speak. Car finance and part exchange are both welcome and available, and our website has full details of how to do get yourself a quote for both. You can even apply online for finance, so you can go all through the procedure with either personal contract purchase or HP. It's the lighter roof lining, which I think just gives it a little bit more of a desirability, where you've got the dark seating but you've got the lighter headlining. It does contrast very, very well indeed. Remote locking, of course. So 4 electric windows, heated electric wing mirrors, the sports seats, heated, fully adjustable, with an extendable piece just there, so that can extend to give some extra support should you require them just behind your knees. Automatic lights and wipers. I just ease myself in, and 43,761 is an absolute guaranteed mileage. So we're just coming back from there. Now you'll see the steering wheel with the cruise control and limiter, and you've got the ability to answer your phone as well on the move. It's Bluetooth. Then you've got the standard attire here with the setting button for Sport and Eco Pro. The wheel controls the operation of the screen. And we'll just go back to the main home page. You'll see settings, vehicle information, we go into vehicle information for a moment, we go into vehicle status, and then we go down service requirements, all fantastic, so no requirements of any service. I think, does it give us some service on the later BMWs? You can go into, I think it must be something on the, let's just go back into that. Yeah, on the later BMWs it actually gives another screen up. Let's just see if it goes on it. See, vehicle status. Okay, you've got a handbook inside it as well, although we have got a written handbook. I was just trying to see if it showed the dates of the service, but we've got the printouts. We've got the 3 printouts for the 3 services, so we'll hand those on to the new owner. It won't be around very long because cars in this condition, mileage and specification don't last very long at all, especially with this 8-speed gearbox. Is absolutely awesome gearbox. So just, you'll need to press and squeeze on the unlock. It's in park at the moment, so if we press the park button just there, you see, that's the park. Push that in, the button to squeeze that in, even squeeze the button there, bring it into D, and that puts us into drive. And if you want to drive it manually, you switch it across, puts it into S for sport, or once you've moved the selector forward for down the gear, it will put it into manual box. So you've got 3 options: drive, automatic, fully, across into sport, or when you've touched the selector up or down, it moves it into manual, and you can then carry on using it in a manual position through touching the lever. Put it into reverse, you simply move it forward, puts it into reverse, brings the screen up. If you've got any obstacles, it shows it on the screen there. Bring it into neutral, press P for park, that's done. We have 2 keys, even the key's got the red. Both working, functioning. You've got cup holders and storage, got a nice armrest, you've got USB and AUX ports. Just a very, very nice car with very little mileage on it, which we've purchased straight from the main dealer as a part exchange, so it hasn't been bought from any other source. We do a lot of sourcing through contacts in the trade that know exactly what we want and are able to get it for us, which we're very grateful for, obviously. And just take you outside and just quickly give you one last view of the car from this angle. So the main benefits of buying this car is that it's a diesel engine 2 litre. She looks absolutely stunning with the slight upgrades we've made to the car with the high gloss front grills and the alloy wheels. It already then has rear privacy glass, heated seats and the 8-speed automatic gearbox plus an electronic tailgate. It's the GT model, so it's basically based on a 3 Series stroke 4 with the longer platform. So if you want that extra little bit of room, you don't want to go to a 5 Series, this would absolutely kill it will kill exactly what you need. In other words, it would be a perfect match for those that don't want a 5 Series but want all the refinements almost of a 5 Series. We're open 7 days a week. Just please do telephone before you travel. Otherwise, use our website to contact us and find out more about this on our other vehicles. Have a fantastic day, and we hope to see you very, very soon indeed.